In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use Wise for money transfers. First, you need to create a Wise account, which is a virtual bank. Click on the link provided in the description below to sign up for Wise. Register using Google, Facebook, Apple account, or enter your email. Select the type of account you want, like personal or business, and enter your personal information including your country and 2FA. Choose then a passcode for added security. In the Wise app, navigate to Open a new currency and choose the currency you want to add to your account. Confirm to create the new currency balance and go to your account settings within the app. Select Connected Accounts and choose your country, and opt for manual verification by providing your bank's routing number, account number, type, and nickname, and confirm to proceed. Wise will make a small deposit to your bank account. Check your bank statement to find the exact amount deposited, and enter this amount in the Wise app to verify your bank account. Go to Send Money in the Wise app and enter the amount you want to send and select Recipient. Add a new contact with your bank details or choose an existing recipient, and confirm the transaction details and the fees. Review the details and click on Continue to proceed. The recipient will receive the money directly to their bank account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.